But yeah, but these are all my crew-neck sweater and some of the heated sweater. So leave a comment below if you want a sweatshirt collection, crew-neck sweatshirt. Yeah, and yeah, here's all the mess. I have to clean that all up because it's really stressed me out right now. Hi, so yesterday I decluttered my sweatshirt, or yeah, my sweatshirt and knitted sweater. I have some in my closet, but I just decluttered the things that on the top of the bins, like my huge bins where I put my sweatshirt. And yeah, so I'm just gonna show you things that I removed from that I declutter. So I maybe sell some of it, or yeah, mostly for selling, and maybe check if my brother wants something or I'm gonna give something to him. So the first one, I am like, it's so hard for me to get rid of stuff because I love them. That's why I keep them that time. And if I didn't wear it for last couple of years, yeah, I just decided to let it go. But this is like new. I mean, I just put this I think February when I have this. Okay, so the first one is this Kirkland zip-up jacket, which is like it's not oversized, so you know I like oversized clothes. So, and also I like white, that's why having hard time getting rid of this one. Yeah, So yeah, the brand is Kirkland. That's that. Second one is the Bill Blast kind of suede jacket. This is 100% cotton, size small. So this is vintage Bill Blast. And I really love the buttons, like it's black. Okay, I don't know if I can show it, yeah. I can use this like an overshirt, you know, if I usually keep things like this for like overshirt. Even though it's warm in here, I just want to cover my arms just to protect from the sun. I know I can't really, yeah, it just for overshirt, I use it for that. But this is not oversized, which, and also, this one is a very, first one that I thrifted. I mean, holster jacket was like very soft, and the quality is really great. So the brand is Exclusive Jungle, and the color is dark blue. And I just really love all the metal detailing. The zipper are really great. I'm not sure if you can see that. I don't know. How can you focus? Focus? Yeah. But this is really kind of oversized, really oversized jacket. Yeah, so that's that. And this kind of navy, I don't know, it's very like this soft. I got fur lining, which is I really love. Now I'm feeling like I want to keep it, but the thing is, I don't like this part. You know, if I wear it here, if people see this, like, you know, it's for like for winter or those cold weather, yeah. Maybe if I put something like a fabric over here, you know, like maybe cotton, and I don't care about this part, like it's okay, it's inside, I can, you know, you wouldn't see it, but this one is like in a hood part, so people can see it. Yeah, I really love the fit, especially on the here on the wrist part, you know, it's like snug, it's not loose like all over your hands. But yeah, I really love the fabric. It's very, very soft, but now that I'm talking about it, I feel like I don't want to let it go, but we'll see about that. Yeah, that's a pile. And also this one, I bought it online. Those like the days that I really love those fuzzy knit sweater, but now I don't feel like, you know. Yeah, but that's that simple kind of yellowish color. Okay, next one. Oh, this dress, I think I saw it from my thrifted hauls. I love that part, like it says thank you for not smoking, if you remember that, if you see that video. And yeah, but I feel like I'm not gonna wear it, so just gonna sell it. And also this one, I really love the color, the hood. I tried to wear it, but it's like this part is itchy and I don't want to remove it because like right now I'm thinking to sell this, and so the people who's going to buy this can remove that tag, but that tag is just really cool, like quality is there, and the hood part is really big, like slouchy. Yeah, so this is like 50-50, like I want to keep it because the sleeves are really amazing. Not a fan of the buttons, but I can replace that with something else. But yeah, this is another one that I feel like I don't want to get rid of. Yeah, that's me. This is really me. Yeah, I'll think about this one. Okay, so the next thing is this also I bought from online. It's soft and quite heavy, so the neckline is like that, like v-neck, like goes like that. I think I wore this in my boots outfit, the black one, knee-high boots. Yeah, if you watched that, thank you very much. And yeah, it's like a butt wing. 'Cause look, I'm not into that anymore. And the back is like that. I think you can get away from wearing this in the front too. But the tag is over here, like where the button is. Oh yeah, so there's a brand of that one. Well, this one is like the quality is amazing. It's not itchy. It's very, very soft and comfy. You can get away wearing this in spring because it's like soft and it's so warm. Yeah. And it got 2 pockets. One here and on the other side too. Yeah, but that's that. I have to say goodbye with that too. Okay. This one is so fluffy and I just love it. But the thing is, it's very, very tight on the wrist. This part is so tiny, but I really love it. It's very, very soft. The inside is very, very soft too. I feel like I want to keep it. Oh, this is so hard. It's very, very hard when you love clothes. Oh, this is from Cat and Jack. I think you can buy this, if I'm not mistaken, Walmart. Is that the brand of that? Yeah. It's very, very soft inside. So I feel like I don't want to get rid of this. I'm sorry. It should be like showing you what I declutter, but now very, very hard. Yeah. But yeah, it's very, very soft, and I'm gonna show you why I'm like, trying to get rid of it because it's not that. Let me check. Maybe it's not so bad. Oh, this one is tighter. This one is quite loose. So maybe I can stretch this out. Yeah, I'm not getting rid of this one. Sorry. Ha. I just have to stretch this a little bit. This is cool. Like a crop top. Like a crop jacket, sorry. Crop jacket. Just very cozy, very warm. No, not getting rid of this one. For sure. Okay, so this one I thrifted. No, not thrifted. I bought this online. It's from H&M. And yeah, this is really heavy for good quality. And the color, can you see that? There's like black, and I'm not sure what the color is. Like coral, like orangey. Yeah. And this is very, very cute. But it's taking too much space in my bin. So yeah, I think it's already posted, and I haven't wore this because it's not cold yet, or it's not raining yet over here. Yeah, but this is very comfortable for lunching around. Just message me in my Instagram if you want to buy all of some of it. I'm gonna be posting it there. Okay, so the last one is this. I really like it. You know, I like my gray, and also I love sweatshirt and hood. So yeah, I mean, this is the one with BSDC CITS 08. I don't know what that means, but I know it's somewhere a school thing, or yeah, but it's just really, really soft too. The brand is waterproof cross weave. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. So I think I'm gonna post this, like decluttering my sweatshirt or knitted sweater. But I'm going to do my like tops, pants, jackets, all of that, but not all at once because I don't want it to be like so decluttered that I don't know what to do. So I wanted to do section by section So this time I did the sweater. Yeah, but thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy my videos, and I will improve myself more in doing this because I'm a Filipino and I'm not fluent in English, but I want to practice, like it's this, like practicing talking in English, because I know Filipino would understand me, so other English people would understand me too. So English is a second language, you know. But yeah, I'm not saying I don't love my language. It's just people would understand me too. Even Filipinos would understand me in talking in English. If my sentence is wrong, I wouldn't say sorry about that, because I'm trying. I'm learning. You know, this is how you learn talking in English. Practice. Practice makes perfect. And I'm not. I didn't learn this in school. Well, maybe some of it I learned from school, but the way I learn my English is reading magazines. I read magazines a lot. I love those comic books. And yeah, I'm trying to like read in dictionary, one word a day. But I'm not doing it now. I'm reading books. I'm reading some of about God. Yeah, so my battery is dying, so, but yeah, I'm sorry again for blabbing around, trying just to be comfortable talking in here and sharing some of the things that I think right now. Okay, so thank you so much, and I'll see you in my decluttering videos again. Bye bye.